Hello, this is Teleosters again, and tonight I'm actually going to show you something that was well, it wasn't a request, but I remember a gentleman by the name of the Other Homer who had asked about my very first gun, well, my first rifle, I should say a modern rifle, because my very first gun was actually my CVA Kentucky rifle, but until I had gotten my Mosin Nagants last year, my only repeater. This is a Marlin 783 rifle in 22W HMR, which is a Winchester Magnum. I had gotten her. I looked that up on I finally found the receipt on this gun, and I got her on October 16th, 1982. Still a teenager, so my dad helped me get it, actually. And this gun was $110.95 plus tax. Can you believe that? Nowadays, but I figured I'd just show her to you, the Other Homer, since you wanted to, since you said you never heard of him. Oh damn, I got a little thing here. Anyway, this gun originally came with a sling. I really never had a use for slings, but this one came with it. It's standard Mauser style bolt action. It's got a buckhorn sight, hooded front sight, tubular magazine. I actually like tubular magazines, believe it or not. I don't have any clips. I mean, with external clips. Very short throw. Fire. Safe. Obviously. And very light gun. Oopsie. And of course, she's cock unopened. And I keep her in very good condition. I like to think she, I keep her, like I said, in the safe. I haven't shot her that much, lately. In the 80s, I shot her a lot. But, it's like, pretty much the gun was, I'm just so accurate, it's like almost boring in a way. Actually, my dad had gotten a scope for me, and I actually took it off because I figured an iron sight was a bigger challenge, especially with my eyesight. But, just figured I want to show you. So, okay, well, that's it, really. She was my first repeater until I got my Mosins last year. And, because, me, my preference is black powder, but for plinking and everything, it's not too bad. Of course, at the time, too, 22 Winchester Magnum was not that much more expensive than 22 long rifle. Now, it's a whole different story. I mean, really, it's pretty much about the same price as my Russian 7.62 military surplus. So that's another reason why I don't shoot her that much. But it's a fun gun. And, got the white spacers. Everything like typical 80s gun, But it's cool. Okay, have a good one.